Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the 4-port USB in cool gray. Okay, on the front here you'll notice that it has 4 USB type A's and 2 13 amp sockets on the front there. So it's basically like getting 6 products in one. Alright, let's grab our scissors and let's open it on up. Okay, so inside each bag, you'll get your product, you'll get a set of screws, which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box, and you'll also get a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second. First, let's take a look at the product. Okay, let's start off by giving you a 360 view here. Okay, and then let's take the plate off for installation. Really simple, grab at the edges with your fingers, push forward with your palm, repeat the process on the other side, and it pops off nice and easy just like that. Okay. On the front here are your screw holes, which you'll put to fasten to your pattress box. Okay, flipping it on over, you'll notice that it's BS and CE certified. You'll also need a bridging system here, which is very common in Europe, so that you can get the full power to the USBs. Okay, flipping it on over to its side, you'll notice that you'll need at least a 47mm pattress box depth, so you can have enough room to fit your USBs and the wires. Okay, flipping it on over. The cool thing about these guys is, let's say you got your house redecorated and it doesn't match anymore. No problem, you can get one of these plates, pop it on nice and easy just like that, and you're good to go. All right, let's take this one off. Get the original one back on. Okay. And then let's take a look at that instructional leaflet. Okay, on the one side is a whole bunch of different social media platforms, which you can head on over to there. Give us a like or a follow on any one of those. We would greatly appreciate it. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us. Either phone number, email, or live messenger. Also in the bottom right-hand corner, you'll notice a Scan Me QR code here. If you scan that, it'll take you to our instructional page, and it'll give you a bunch of tips and tricks on how to install the light switches and sockets. Okay, finally, let's take a look at the bag that it comes in. Okay, at the bottom here is our SKU code, the ART-SKT213USBCG for cool gray. You got our barcode there. And in the top left, you have another QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website, and you can see our full range of products there. Flipping it on over, you'll notice the recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here, so you know that this packaging is completely recyclable. All right, if you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day, so please make sure you're subscribed, make sure that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below as to what you'd like us to do next. All right, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.